The alarm clock is a hammer on a Tuesday head. Leave the warmth of the covers, leave the ghosts in the bed. Cold coffee in a mug with a chipped tooth grin. The kitchen light flickers, let the day begin. The kids are a whirlwind of shoelaces and cries, while the shadows are heavy under tired eyes. Stale there in the hallway, the scent of the bin, where the city's heart breaks and the rust settles in, and we're just holding on to the fraying ends of broken down trains and fair weather friends. It's a long grey walk through the pouring rain, searching for the rhythm and the pulse of the pain. But look down, look close through the cracks in the street. There's a yellow spark blooming beneath our feet. The platform is crowded but nobody speaks, just the sound of the drizzle on the Cougar's cheeks. The sign says delayed and the clock standing still, while the wind whistles cold over Poverty Hill. She's looking at her phone, at a text from the past,
and some things don't last.
knowing some things are built and some things don't last. An empty apartment, a key on the shelf. It's a quiet waterfall all by yourself. Then a hand finds a hand in the sterile white walls, a whisper stay that we can't quite afford. The dog nudges the kid who's forgotten to smile, and the clouds part their heavy grey curtains a while. It's not a parade,
Hard to believe
and
it's
it's not
only
a
Tuesday.
grand choir,
This rain just won't
just a
quit.
flicker of
Yeah,
light.
but this fire helps a lot.
It really
from
does.
the dying fire. Yeah, we're holding on to the fraying end of broken down trains and fair weather friends. It's a long grey walk through the pouring rain, searching for the rhythm in the pulse of the pain. But look down, look close through the cracks in the street. There's a yellow spark blooming beneath our feet. Yeah, we're holding on to the fraying end of broken down trains and fair weather friends. It's a long grey walk through the pouring rain, searching for the rhythm in the pulse of the pain. But look down, look close through the cracks in the street. There's a yellow spark blooming beneath our feet. Dandelion pushes through the tar to show us exactly how brave we are. Just a little bit of light, just a little more time. The sun's gonna break.